Library Orientation Part 3, Onesearch. In this video, we will go over the library's main search tool, Onesearch. You see on the class page the bottom section. Let's scroll down. Here's the header, articles and other sources. Onesearch allows you to search across multiple databases, including the library's catalog of books and ebooks. So in a nutshell, everything within reach of your fingertips. Because Onesearch is so much more complex, there's a green button, click for video tutorial. Please check out the video. It is a short one. It will teach you about running Onesearch. After the video tutorial, you can make use of the search box. Enter into the search box keywords for your topic. Enter Celestine, case for reparations, historical research. I have also provided some subject links below. Make use of these to search for all the items from the library related to this subject. Here it is. 286 results. We have reached the end of this part of the orientation. Please go to the last part